Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I just got home from Walmart. It is actually Saturday, the 17th, I think. I think it's the 17th. But after I film this, I'm going to go ahead and edit it and get it up, hopefully this afternoon. It's late morning right now, and I'm going to try and get it up this afternoon. So, just got home from Walmart. Grady and I went. It was an absolute madhouse. Some things I wanted were out of stock, so I had to kind of substitute. But yes, so I'm going to start over here and work my way down. I got some butter bread. We've been loving this Sara Lee butter bread lately. Don't know why, just really I'm in a phase with it. It's good for sandwiches, toast, French toast, just really yummy. I needed celery, so I got that. We absolutely love these Taipei pork pot stickers. They also make chicken ones and veggie ones. And it comes with a really yummy sauce. We like to have these sometimes like on the weekend for lunch. And sometimes like if we're doing like an Asian dinner, we'll have these like as a little side with dinner. I like to buy the big bag because they're most cost effective, I find, and they last a while. The last bag I had of these, we had for like 3 months. So I got those. Lay's just came out with a bunch of new flavors, and they had all of them at Walmart, but this is the one that I went with, the fried pickles with ranch. It just seemed the most appealing to me. Eventually, I'll probably try them all one by one, but this is the one we're trying out now. I got this chili garlic sauce to use for like different Asian recipes. They did not have my sugar-free Italian sweet cream coffee creamer, so I got the sugar-free French vanilla. There's a pretty limited selection for the sugar-free ones, and that's what I use right now. So I went with French vanilla, peppers, some baby carrots for salads and dipping in ranch or peanut butter. I also got some Nature Valley crunchy oats and honey granola bars. I really like these. I'm not a huge granola bar person, but I like the crunchy ones better than the chewy ones, so I got these to throw in like my work lunches. I got 3 boxes of penne. We go through a lot of penne, so instead of buying 1, I decided just to buy 3. So I had them for a little while. We've been loving these Black Forest Juicy Burst fruit snacks. We've been like tearing through boxes. They are really small pouches, but I got these. I'm trying to stock up for snacks for work for the fall and back to school as well. I also got some Pringle variety pack. This one has original sour cream and onion, cheddar cheese, barbecue pizza, and cheddar and sour cream. I also grabbed some white rice. I ran out of my last box of rice and decided just to replace it with this. We don't eat a whole lot of this type of rice, but I like having it if I need it. I got just over a pound of turkey for sandwiches, and I'm also going to make a new pasta salad with turkey and tomato, so I needed that for the salad. I also got these Hormel hard salami bites. We have been enjoying the pepperoni bites, the same brand, same exact thing, but it's pepperoni. We've really been enjoying them, so I got the salami to try those out. Normally I buy the Great Value potatoes O'Brien, which are just like the cut potatoes with peppers and onions. They did not have any. They were completely wiped out, so I got the Orita brand, which was more expensive but the same concept. I got some yellow corn tortillas because I want to do some kind of taco night at some point this week. I got some broccoli, Green Giant veggie tots, broccoli and cheese. A couple Innovation products. I picked up the sticky rice, which I really love this. They also have a garlic sticky rice, which is really good, but it's like always sold out. So I got this, and I also got this chicken and broccoli to go with the sticky rice, which I thought would be a really nice sort of convenience dinner to have on a really crazy busy night. We needed some olive oil, so I got this Bertolli extra virgin olive oil. I also got, it's hiding in the back, some wild blueberry muffin mix. I really like this muffin mix. You can also use it for quick bread. I got a couple frozen treats, some Magnum double raspberry with milk chocolate, and then I got the mini Magnum vanilla bean ice cream with sea salt roasted almonds. So those look really good. Basil, I forgot to mention that. This is for that turkey tomato pasta salad that I'm going to try out. You could use dried basil, but I think the fresh is going to be tastier. I got some sugar-free fruit punch Powerade format to pack in his lunches, a big box of goldfish, just regular cheddar. My mom's garden, not related to Walmart, is starting to produce veggies, so she hooked me up with some tomatoes, which I'm going to use for that turkey tomato pasta salad. I also got my husband some ginger ale and orangeade. It's like an orange ginger ale essentially. They have a bunch of, they have like a lemonade one as well. I think there might be another one, but I got him those. And I also got the Clear American. They changed the packaging. This is the black cherry sparkling water, and it used to be in a silver pack, but it's in this like maroon pack or maroon box now. And then lastly, I got 2 cans of the old El Paso red enchilada sauce. I usually buy the big can, which is like 28 ounces, but they were completely sold out. So I got 2 of the smaller ones, and I also got some green chopped chilies, which I usually pick up together, so I have all the ingredients whenever I put enchiladas on the meal plan. So I think that's everything, guys. I don't know if I forgot anything. I think this haul was like $120-ish or so, and I'm going to show you my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week, which is August 18th through Saturday, August 24th. One night we're going to do tacos with those corn tortillas. I don't know what kind of tacos yet. I don't know if I'm going to do beef or chicken. I'm not sure. Some kind of rice, and then I'll just put out like chips and salsa. I'm going to do some turkey burgers one night on the grill, along with that turkey tomato pasta salad recipe that I'm going to try. I got the idea from a recipe from like a local deli that I had like a little side of, and I'm going to try to recreate it to the best of my ability. I have some shrimp to use up in the freezer that I'm going to thaw, saute up with some veggies and rice. I'm going to do my pork sauce over angel hair pasta. The pork sauce is pretty much just like a bone-in chop, and I sear it, get it nice and browned, and then I throw it in the crock pot. I have some homemade marinara sauce. I did a big batch last month, so I'm going to thaw that, dump it in the crock pot, let it slow cook all day, and then just have to make some pasta. We're trying out a vegan meal service. It's just like one of those services that comes to your home and you just follow the directions. So it's a vegan recipe for squash tacos, and it comes with all the ingredients to make a tomatillo salsa. So you guys will see that in the future. The 24th, Saturday, so a week from today, we're going to have a date night. We try to do a date night like once a month, whether it's just my husband and I, or we go out with friends, or try to make plans to meet up with friends. So we're going to do that next Saturday. I think we might do like German food, but I'm not really sure yet. There's a few good German restaurants around here, and I want to go. There's one of them in particular that I want to go to that we haven't been to in a long time. And then of course I have a freebie night, which most of you guys know. Sometimes we go to my parents' house. Sometimes we just do a bunch of leftovers. Sometimes we'll do breakfast for dinner. It just kind of, you know, go with the flow. But yeah, this is the meal plan for the upcoming week. Still using and loving this Carrie L meal planner. This is my 4th meal planner from her, but my first mini. The rest of them are larger. I do have a full review on the larger one. I'll try to remember to link that down below. I've been forgetting lately, and I always have a discount code with Carrie L. It's a permanent code. It's also linked down below. I know a lot of you guys have purchased these planners over the years using my discount, which is great to save money. So yeah, guys, this is the meal plan for the upcoming week. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you on Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.